To understand the Credit.com sign-up process, start by visiting the Credit.com website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be directed to a page where you need to provide some basic information such as your name, address, and email address. Next, create a username and password for your account, making sure to follow the password requirements for security purposes. You will also be asked to provide your date of birth and social security number to verify your identity. After submitting this information, you will be asked to answer a series of security questions to further verify your identity and protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will have access to a range of free tools and resources, including your credit score and report, as well as personalized recommendations for improving your credit. It is essential to review the terms and conditions of the sign-up process to understand how your information will be used and protected. Credit.com is a secure website that uses encryption to protect your data, but it is still crucial to be cautious when sharing sensitive information online. By following these steps, you can easily sign up for a Credit.com account and start monitoring and improving your credit score. Remember to always keep your account information secure and be mindful of the information you share online. The key benefits of signing up for a Credit.com account include access to your credit score and report, personalized credit recommendations, and credit monitoring and alerts. These tools can help you make informed decisions about your financial situation and take control of your credit. Overall, the Credit.com sign-up process is straightforward and provides users with a range of valuable tools and resources to help them manage their credit effectively.